Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to reconcile Stripe and PayPal payouts accurately in Xero. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to accurately reconcile Stripe and PayPal payouts in Xero, all you gotta do is simply match the bank statement line for the net deposit against the individual sales invoice and the separate transaction for the fee deducted by the processor. For manual payouts, use Xero's Find and Match feature to select both the payment transactions and the fee transactions and reconcile them together. For a more automated process, use clearing accounts for payouts, set up automatic bank feeds, and ensure transactions are correctly coded, especially fees as an expense. So if you use these methods to simply reconcile your Stripe and PayPal payouts accurately, you can simply have a simplified version in your Xero. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.